So guys, the next car that we have is my personal favorite. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अ वेरी स्पेशल वीडियो। आज मैं आप लोग के साथ शेयर करने जा रहा हूं मेरे कलेक्शन के मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल कास्टिंग्स, जो कि है फार्मूला 1 प्रीमियम के कास्टिंग्स। चलिए हम इनको रिव्यू करते हैं और देखते हैं कि इसमें से आपके कौन से फेवरेट्स हैं। फर्स्ट कार दैट वी हैव इज द MoneyGram Haas Formula 1 team. Driver number 27, that's for Nico Hülkenberg. You can see the details. Very good livery. You also get a plastic base where you have the details mentioned. You'll see more details at the back of the base. You get front wing design, all the detailings at the rear wing as well. This is an imported car and it's 14 plus, which is a premium. You can see all the details here. So friends, the next car that we have in my set is the Sauber Formula 1 team. Driver number 77, that's for Valtteri Bottas. I personally like this color, the livery that they have, green livery, very unique, good detailing. The front wing and the rear wing looks good. Again, you have detailing on the base. You get a plastic base where you can showcase your car. You can see the details at the back of the car as well. It's a 14 plus, which is a collector's item. Again, it's an imported piece. So friends, the next car that I have in my Formula 1 set is the Williams Racing. That is for driver 23, which is Alex Albon. Again, you can see good amount of detailing. The blue livery, the front wing design, all the detailings, the rear wing. Again, you have a plastic base. All the details mentioned at the base. I personally love this car. Now this one is an Indian set. You can see the Indian sticker on it, but you can't get it for the MRP. So friends, the next car that I have in my set is the Alpine Formula 1 team. That's driver number 10, which is Pierre Gasly. Again, it's in a blue and a pink livery. Nice detailing on the front wing and the rear wing as well. Again, you get a plastic base. You have the team name and all the details mentioned at the base. Again, this is an imported piece and it's 14 plus, so it's a collector's item. You can see all the details of the team. So friends, the next car that I have in my set is the McLaren Formula 1 team. This is driver number 81, which is Oscar Piastri. Good looking orange color car. Nice detailing on the front wing, on the rear wing as well. Again, you can see the plastic base that you get the team name and all the details on the base. Again, this is an imported car, no Indian sticker. So friends, the next car that we have in my set is the Oracle Red Bull Racing RB20, driver number 11, which is for Sergio Perez. Again, you can see their livery, which they have for so many years. Nice detailing on the wing, front wing and the rear wing. You can see the driver's helmet as well. Again, you get a plastic base with the team name and you have all the details at the back of the base. And it's a 14 plus, it's a collector's item, and you have the Indian MRP sticker. It's very rare to find it on the MRP. So friends, the next car that I have in my set is again the McLaren Formula 1 team, driver number 4. That's for Lando Norris, who's the current world champion, 2025 champion. You can see his helmet details as well. You get good detailings on the front wing and the rear wing. Nice looking orange car. Good design on the wheels as well. You have an Indian sticker on this. Again, it's 14 plus, it's a collector's item. But you can't get this on the MRP. It's very hard to find it on the MRP. So guys, the next car that we have is my personal favorite. It's the Red Bull Racing RB20, and it is the Champs car. Max Verstappen, number 1, 4-time world champion. So friends, the next car that I have in my set, which is the most valuable for me, it's the Oracle Red Bull Racing number 1, which is for Max Verstappen, 4-time world champion and my favorite. You'll see all the details on the car, front wing, rear wing, again on the wheels as well. You can see the driver's helmet as well. Good looking car. You get a plastic base with the team name and all the details on the base. Again, this is an imported set. So friends, please like, comment and subscribe for more content.